Hey guys, so I hope all of you are using this time of Corona to productively engage yourself. So I thought that in this particular time that we get, I'll introduce you to this particular book. I thought I'd do a small vlog, as you can call it, video. So as to what are the features of this book and how exactly it will help you out in your uh, studies as well as in your professional career. So let me just get started off with the what do you call? I would say I wouldn't call it a review because I am doing it myself. I would rather call it an introduction to the book. So first of all, yeah. So this is the book, the A Beginner's Guide to GST and Indirect Tax Laws. So it is meant predominantly for students, and it's also very useful for professionals. It has elements for both. As the features of the book also says, as far as students are concerned, it contains all their past exam questions, whichever the CA Institute, etc. The past exam questions are there. It is also relevant for CMA and CS people as well, and all the relevant revision test paper questions. All these things are included there. Now, as far as the professionals are concerned, they will also find this very useful because whatever relevant case laws, it's very rare that you find GST books now containing case laws, because hardly 2.5 years so since GST has almost 3 years now, right? So since GST has come in, a lot of case laws are not reported in the books. This you will find in this book that case laws are very relevant over the past 2.5 years, etc. Have also been covered. Therefore, as far as students are concerned, it is fully loaded. Whatever is relevant for their exam, including their past exam questions, practical illustrations, everything is there. And even as far as the members are concerned, all the relevant notifications, circulars, case laws, everything they are covered here. So, and as you can see, the book is also pretty not that huge. So that gives initial confidence, right? So it is, I would say, the optimum size that should be there. And it is also quite light, so those who want to carry it around a lot, who travel a lot, will find that it is actually very light to carry with them, and the paper quality is such that it is also very good. The paper quality is good, at the same time it is very light. Now what I'll do is straight away I'll get go on to a particular chapter so that you will get to appreciate the book better. So I'll take away a chapter which is pretty important for both the students as well as the professional members, which is input tax credit. So input tax credit is one chapter wherein nobody can miss. So I thought I'll choose this chapter, both practically as well as academically. It's very relevant. Now, as you can see, the book, this particular chapter and the entire book, in fact, is designed in such a manner that a lot of tables, etc., are being used wherever it is possible to give the content in a very lucid manner. And you will also see that the formatting, etc., it is very neat. So it is in fact one of the reviews that people gave, where they said that this particular book is actually easy to read, and very lucid presentation, formatting, etc., will be there. Just a second. Now, so let me get started off with going the other pages. So as you can see, it is formatting is pretty nice, and a lot of spacing is there. You will find it a very easy read. Now charts, etc., are also used wherever possible to give the flow charts, etc. They are used very often, so to give the content in a very presentable manner so that easily understandable. As you can see, tables, etc., again are there. Very neat formatting. You can see the spacing. That is, in fact, I would say one of the USPs of the book. The spacing, etc., if you look at it, it is very nice spacing, and people in fact say that, those who have read the book already, they say that the book, if you read, it doesn't give you a headache. So I think that is one of the biggest compliments that you can get for the book. So therefore that's very important, right? So you have to first feel like reading the book, then only you can actually understand the things, contents which are there. So the spacing is quite good. In fact, it is very good spacing, that unlike the other books which are there in the market, you will find this pretty spaced out and very nice to read. Again, lot of illustrations are there. Wherever the situation requires, a lot of illustrations etc. have been given. So this is a very very important circular which we can see, which was there in input tax credit, GSTR 2A versus 3B. What is the 10% limit they had fixed in the law using the relevant rule etc. For that they had given a circular. So that particular circular has been inserted and the relevant illustrations have been given for that as well. So moving on further, and you will see behind, as and when a particular concept is over, after that itself you will find a good illustration. So as you can see, this input tax rate basic concepts are over, illustration is given, and this in fact is a CA final November 2018 exam question. So you will find the illustration and it is neatly solved out here for the students, and it is also relevant for members. The CA final questions are in fact very very good case studies for members also. So therefore I am just quickly moving across to this, what is another important concept of blocked credits, how beautifully it has been explained as eligible, ineligible, blocked and eligible, like that, using a nice table, each and every point, what is ineligible, what is eligible, all that is given side by side, that easily you can understand. And look at the spacing, that's what I wanted to appreciate, and the formatting, it is so neat. You will find this book a pleasure to read. Again, problems are there, so many problems you can see, even hardly 2 pages you have crossed. Important case law is given there. So this is Safari Retreats. This is in fact one of the landmark case laws which came in the last year. So very practically relevant. So therefore, even though not recommended for institute, this one, for better understanding of the concept, students need to know this, and for members this is very very important case law. Wherein construction related credit, even though it is blocked, this case law allowed it for certain category of persons who are renting out malls etc. So again, illustration is given, a lot of illustrations you can just see, so many, this entire, all these are illustrations. This is a past exam question again, worked out. So this is a past exam, so as you can see it is a May 2019 exam question. So it has been worked out. So like that you will see so many illustrations are being given, so many case studies, case laws, illustrations, notifications, circulars, everything is here. And this is in fact one of the very important areas, apportionment of credit, reversal of ITC, section 17(1) and 2, and the relevant rule 42, 43 etc. So this is a very very important rule. In fact, people find this so hard to understand, but this book has given a lot of diagrams, pictures etc. to make this concept very very simple. As you can see, everything is pictorially explained. A lot of effort has been put in, formulas etc. are properly given, pictorial representation is there, so, and tables etc. giving various situations, all this. You will see that it is very very easy. This concept, which is so complex, has been made so simple using this book. Now quickly moving forward, again illustrations are there in this rule 42, 43, past exam questions, illustrations. This is an illustration which is not a past exam question but still very very relevant. It is my own this one question which I had formulated just for this book. So, and you will also find my whatever questions I do for my class students are also here. It's like that, so many illustrations you can see. Again, this rule 43 for capital goods, same like rule 42, but rule 42 is for inputs, rule 43 is for capital goods. Again, lot of pictorial representations here. Examples are given through diagrams etc. and the concept has been explained using that example. It is very very good. And again, once the concept is over, immediately illustration starts. So you will find that this is a very very nice read. You will not fail to understand the concept. So like that, so many things are there. So I think I have done enough, I have explained enough. More than this will become boring for you. So many illustrations, that's what I want to point out. I'll quickly run through this chapter. This is again in inputs, so many illustrations you can see, hardly 10 pages, nearly 15 illustrations are there. So this input service distributor, everybody will know, ISD concept, very very important again using so many examples, formulas, tables etc. Everything has been made so good. Illustrations, so many illustrations you can see. Fine. So again, sample MCQs are given at the end of the chapter for understanding. Those who are subscribing to this book, we will also give them a complete set of MCQs which students are nowadays in CA, CMA, CS etc. they are asking a lot of objective questions. So here some sample MCQs are given, but in fact those who are getting this book can contact me, and my number is there in this book also. the entire MCQ bank which we have, which we are using, and we give it to our students who take my classes. In fact, I am giving it free along with this book. It's an e-book. So therefore, that is also being there. So therefore, this book will contain everything for you. And just to conclude, a few more things I wanted to say. Yeah, this is yours truly. Right. So tips for exams are there. Contents are there. What are the index is there. We have also made a detailed index. Please know, this is a broad index. This is a detailed index. Every chapter, what is there, easily you can find out. The detailed index is there. Not only that, please have a look at it, guys. After the detailed index is over, so runs into pages, easily you can find out what you want to see. But just to make it very, very clear, to make the book very easy to read, we have also given a lot of other indexes like section. Each section number you want to see, that section number has been indexed in the relevant page. For example, section 17.5, what we just now saw, section 17.5 is blocked credit. That is there in page 7.6, which we just saw now. Therefore, like this, we have made a section index, and there's also an alpha index, which we call it as an alphabetical index. There is also there, for example, if you want to know about EC, education cess, which has been removed now, that has been removed now as per customs law. Still, we have covered that. 27.12 customs law, you will find in that particular chapter, we will say that education cess is there, was there, but now it has been removed. Like that, even you can search concept wise. What is IGST, that definition there, import definition, everything is there. Therefore, my dear friends, this book is a tool. Glossary is there for all abbreviations, so that you don't miss the gun and you don't find anything not understandable. So, my dear friends, what I want to conclude by saying is that this book is a very handy tool, more than a handy tool. In fact, for your exam preparations and professions for your career as well, it's very, very handy tool. You will no doubt find it very useful. And for my dear students, I would say, if you are able to read this book thoroughly, if you can guarantee me that one, read it thoroughly, revise it at least 2 or 3 times, then my dear friends, I will definitely say that 60 plus is a very easy score. 60 plus is in fact very, very easy if you do it 2 or 3 times. 80 plus is very much achievable. Therefore, that guarantee I can give. 80 plus is very achievable, provided that you are very thorough with this book, you have read it completely, and you have also revised it a couple of times. And this alpha index should be there in your mind. That's what I can say. Whatever alpha, see, you remember a concept in this page of the book, it is there. Like that thorough you are there. 80 plus I am saying very much achievable. This book will enable you to do that. Therefore, with this, I think I'll sign off. Again, I have taken a long time, but I think it is still worth it. So therefore, my dear friends, again, stay safe, stay home. Those who want to get the book, I'll also post the link in the comments. So Amazon, it is there, but now they're not delivering very properly in this corona times. But if you're not able to subscribe it using Amazon, there's another link in our own store. It is there, so I will give that link as well. So you can order it. We will directly ship it to you. So therefore, my dear friends, again, thank you for watching the video very patiently, and I wish you all the best for exams. Thank you.